Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at the ways you can create, edit and delete data in the EnergySys platform. I've logged into a demonstration application and I'm going to use the Wells screen to help us understand what we can do. In the primary table, I can see the list of wells that are in this current application. I can use the controls at the top to page through the records, and when I've found the records I want to change, I simply click Edit. I can change one or more of the records in the Edit overlay, and to see this, let's set this to date of one of the wells. The system won't let us save our changes until we've entered an audit comment. When we've done this and saved our changes, we can see that the latest button is now green. This happens automatically and allows you to see the list of records that you've modified recently. You can toggle this button off if you want to see all records in the table. If you want to delete a record, you can reopen the Edit box and mark the record for deletion using the checkbox. Once a record is marked for deletion, its values can no longer be modified. If the record that you're trying to delete is referred to by other records, the operation will be rejected and you'll get a notification message. If you want to add several new records at once, you can click the Add button in the Edit overlay with the number of records you want to add. To add several records at once, enter the number of desired records beside the Add button. The new rows will appear at the bottom of the editable table. You can't save a new record unless the mandatory attributes have been populated, and you'll get an error message that lists the missing mandatory attributes if you try to do so. We also provide a quick shortcut for creating a single new record. Just click the New button and you'll get a blank row ready to accept data for the new record. Delete All allows you to quickly delete a set of records. This is most useful when combined with filtering. For example, we can create a filter to show the wells belonging to the license WDL-LDW. This gives us 12 records. We simply click Delete All and a dialog is displayed to allow you to enter an audit comment. As before, you can't delete records if they are referred to by other records. You can also add and modify records in the related objects on a screen. For example, if we decide to add a new well zone for well Alice 04, we can select the well, click Edit on the well zone table and then Add. A new row will be added to the table with a reference to the selected well. Once we've completed all the required attributes and added an audit comment, click Save and Refresh to add the record. It's possible for attributes to hold a binary file, like a Word document or PDF. For example, if we create a new well document record, we can upload a Word document by clicking on the Add button. The status bar shows the file is uploading, and once it's complete, we can add an audit comment and save the record. If the Edit overlay contains a lot of records, scrolling down will load them on demand. For example, here we are editing a page of 50 records in the gas measurement screen, and the Edit overlay initially shows only the first 20 records. Scrolling down automatically loads additional records. This concludes our quick introduction to how you create, edit and delete data in EnergySys. I hope it's been useful. We have a number of other videos that you can use to learn more about the features of the platform, so please follow the links on our website. Thanks again for watching.